What kind of hard queries we can do? For instance, you have queries with unlimited paths, just to know the length between connection between Markov and any actors inside the database. So we are looking for a relationship which has our type noses, which we have created just before, and we jump between Markov to a person. And this star here just said that I'm jumping between person to person to person to persons. And the only thing I don't want is that Markov knows directly something. So this link is a direct link, which is different from this star link, which says that I want it with a length of 1, 2, 3, 4, and whatever. And so I want all the names that Markov do not knows directly, so all the people that he knows indirectly. And we can do the same with the path lengths of distance 2 or 3 with the star here and 2 point and the 3 value. So all the passes, so the jumps between persons of distance 2 or 3 and not knowing them directly. Just because it's possible to have a distance 2 or 3 which refers to a person who is known directly. So I want to remove them. What is possible also is to refer to any kind of link between two persons, and these two persons are Mark Hamill and Ewan McGregor. And if I take these two persons, this path, which is of any distance, I want the shortest path. And this shortest path is referred by a p-value. Of course, this path is of length 2 between star Wars 1 to star Wars 4. And the output is the length of these relations. So I get the shorter path p, I get the relations between them, so I have two relations, and the length function will give the value 2. Other kind of hard queries. You can have manipulations of graph algorithms. For instance, you have PageRank, Betweenest, or whatever. It's algorithms on graph theory. You have commodities extraction like Louvain or Informat or label propagation algorithm. You can make some passes algorithm like shortest pass or spanning tree directly. You have APOC, which can integrate directly XML or JSON JDBC connections that can integrate different kind of data. You have ETL, which helps to make some kind of data modeling directly on your relational database. Or if you have an XML RDF format, you have a semantic web database, you can use Neo4j that transform directly your RDF database inside a directed graph. To import those kind of libraries, you have to modify the config file directly here and put the extension class in order to have here the different information according to the algorithm you are using inside. And you can call them directly inside Neo4j by calling the library with the function and parameters that you are requiring.